Hey everybody, my name's Charlie and I'm an educator here at the St. Louis Science Center, and I am back once again to talk to you about the physics of skateboarding. Now, in our previous videos we covered the basics: ollies, which is just jumping on a board, and 180s, which adds a spin to that. Today we're going to talk about something a little more complicated: flip tricks. Let's start with the most basic form of the flip trick, which is called the kickflip. The kickflip starts the same way as the ollie, by rapidly forcing one end of the board to the ground. This thrust creates an equal and opposite reaction in the form of the board lifting up off the ground. In skateboarding, we call this the pop. After the pop, the skateboarder slides their other foot up and off the board at an angle. In skateboarding, this is known as the flick. The flick generates something referred to in physics as torque, which is a twisting force that causes rotation. You can see the board rotating around a central axis until the skateboarder's feet reconnect with it, stopping that rotation. In skateboarding, this forced stopping of the rotation is called the catch. To sum that up, kickflips are a combination of thrust, torque, and rotation, or, in skateboarding terms, pop, flick, and catch. Pop, flick, and catch. Once a skateboarder gets comfortable with kickflips, they can start to tweak the equation to perform different flip tricks. You can flick your foot harder, which generates more torque and results in additional rotations. You can flick your foot off the other side of the board, which reverses the rotation. You can pop the board at an angle rather than straight downward. This adds an additional dimension of rotation. You can also spin your body along with the board. You can reverse the flick to stop the rotation early. And of course, you can begin any of these variations by popping off the front of the board instead of the back. You can also reach down and flip or rotate the board with your hands. Some skateboarders can even combine different variations into complex, technical tricks like this one.
Let's go!